Hello everyone, and welcome to my latest update on this upcoming dynamic storm. In this video we will talk about my first snowfall and freezing rain outlooks, as well as the flooding and severe weather risks. If you enjoy this update, and if you are new to the channel, I will ask that you do subscribe for more weather updates. Let's start talking about the weather. We begin by looking at the latest GFS model run. Snow and rain is currently moving into the Pacific Northwest on Monday, February 14th. This precipitation will continue to work its way through mountainous terrain across the west, before it turns into a monster storm in the central portion of the country. A band of heavy snow will be possible between Kansas and Michigan, with some sleet and freezing rain right in between the rain and snow. It should all clear out by Friday night. Now that we know the timing and current model guidance of this storm, let's look at the expected snowfall accumulations for the western United States. Most of the snowfall will be on higher elevations across the west, with mostly rainfall in the lower elevations. A lot of areas could receive between an inch and 6 inches, with bigger totals even approaching a foot of snow in the highest elevations. This will definitely help out the ski resorts that have lost most of their natural snow in recent drought. The next location is the southwest. This storm won't have as much moisture when it goes through the southwest, so only some of the mountains in these states should expect snow, with some heavier snowfall possible in the Sierra Nevada mountains. Let's now take some time to look at my personal snowfall and freezing rain outlooks. Before we do start analyzing those, please note that these totals are still subject to change, so don't get too stuck on anything you see until we are more certain. The lightest blue shade represents where a dusting to 3 inches of snow is possible. This darker blue shade represents about 3 to 5 inches, with 5 to maybe 8 inches in this purple. This other purple color could see between 8 inches and a foot of snow, with accumulations potentially exceeding a foot in this other dark shade. And now for the freezing rain probability map. I still don't think we have enough certainty to talk about exact ice accumulation, although I will say that if you live in this first layer that light ice is pretty likely, with a higher chance of significant ice in this other color. For the last portion of this video, let's look at the current flooding and severe weather risks. Here is the outlook for Wednesday. We currently have a slight risk of severe weather for portions of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, and Louisiana. I do expect this to be upgraded to at least an enhanced risk in the coming days, so if you live within there, be prepared for some strong thunderstorms. The threat doesn't end there though. Thursday may end up being a bigger threat, with severe thunderstorms likely in this broad yellow area. We will have more details on these threats by tomorrow's video, so if you are interested in that, don't forget to subscribe. And here is a quick look at the flooding threat for Wednesday. Thankfully, it's nothing too major, but any flooded road that you may encounter should be avoided. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this weather update. If you did, make sure to hit the like button then subscribe for more videos. See you soon.